Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'd like to do my informative speech over developing the skill of dentistry. Here's my informative speech note card that I will be referring to throughout my speech. How is everyone's overall health doing today? Today, I would like to inform you of oral hygiene and its importance and contributions to our overall health and well-being, as well as the task that dentistry performs and advises to maintain our overall and oral health. Overall health is determined upon many factors in our body, especially the mouth. The oral area can contribute many diseases to our entire body if left without care, and these diseases and consequences can be avoided by making good oral hygiene habits and also making frequent visits to the dentist. This is relative to maintaining good overall well-being and physical health, because once disease encounters the entire body or other parts of the body, it may prevent us from performing our day-to-day activities and functions. I'm capable of spreading essential knowledge and importance of disease prevention by developing a skill training of dentistry. Oral hygiene is an important factor of our overall health, and it should be taken as a serious matter. My first main point that I'd like to point out to you is the importance of oral hygiene. A study shows from rural communities that preventive care to the oral area can lead us with quality of life and our overall health and well-being. The second point that I'd like to show to you is consequences. Consequences of poor oral hygiene are diseases to the entire body. Diseases such as cardiovascular disease and endocarditis disease. These diseases can be avoided by making good oral hygiene habits such as flossing and making toothbrushing a daily priority. My third main point is dentists and the task that they perform. Dentists diagnose and prevent diseases from entering the entire body from the oral area. They also perform surgery when necessary to prevent pain and suffering to the oral area. Oral hygiene is a serious matter. To take precaution and cautions of the oral hygienist and its health, we can make frequent checkups to the dentist and practice good oral hygiene habits. Before I conclude, I would like to emphasize that oral hygiene does not only contribute to the oral health, but our oral health and overall health have a connection. And overall health is determined by a part of oral hygiene and health. Dentists are doctors of the oral area, and they advise us of all precautions and necessary treatments that should be done to maintain a good overall health and oral hygiene. Thank you, and have a good day.